Welcome, today I am with REALME GT Neo2 from the European distribution and I will show you all box accessories. In this place we can find the paperwork, so there's a quick guide and also some kind of the safety information. Honestly, there's nothing interesting here, so I'm gonna put it back. Here we can find the silicone case, the flexible case. Here we can find the USB-C cable, SIM tool, and right here we can find original charger. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.